Welcome. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Allow your shoulders to relax, your breath to deepen, and your mind to quiet. This time is for you to come home to yourself and to release anything that no longer serves your well-being. Breathe in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. With every breath, feel your body growing lighter. Let go of the weight of the day, the noise of others, the constant effort to hold everything together. Now imagine a soft indigo blue glow beginning to surround you. This is Sirian light, clear, purifying, intelligent. It comes not to judge, but to help you remember your natural clarity. Bring your attention to the base of your spine. Visualize a beam of light connecting you to the heart of Earth. Steady, nurturing, warm. As this grounding light strengthens, you feel supported, held, and safe to release. Now sense where tension lives in your body. Shoulders, stomach, heart, mind. Just notice without resistance. Breathe into those areas. Each exhale releases the static and heaviness you've carried. the earth receives it all and transforms it into neutral energy once again. Above you, the Sirian light brightens. A deep sapphire hue with threads of white and gold. A Sirian guide steps forward, tall, luminous, compassionate. They move their hands slowly, and a stream of crystalline light flows down through your crown. It travels through your head, throat, and chest, clearing confusion, fear, and emotional residue. Down through your solar plexus, releasing self-doubt and overthinking. Through your abdomen and legs, flushing out exhaustion and stagnation. The light moves gently but thoroughly, like a tide cleansing the shore. As it flows, you feel more open, more yourself. There's no effort, only release. Now, See your entire field shimmering, clear, balanced, luminous. The Sirian light now softens to a radiant white glow, integrating what has been cleared. Your energy recalibrates. Your mind is spacious. Your emotions flow easily, without clinging. The Sirian presence places a hand over your heart. You sense an unspoken message. You are energy. You are capable of renewal at any moment. You are never separate from Source. Let that truth settle deep within. Take a deep breath in and gently exhale. Feel your body grounded yet light. Your aura is clear, luminous, and vibrant. The Sirian light begins to fade, leaving behind a protective shimmer around you. Bring your awareness back to the space you're in. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes. You've released what no longer serves you. You've reconnected with your natural clarity. Carry this renewed energy into the rest of your day. Calm, focused, and free.